Now torque under running condition. We have to analyze torque under running condition. So substitute I2 that we have founded in the previous topic at slip S. I2 is equals to SE2 upon under root R2 square plus S square X2 square, and power factor is R2 upon impedance per phase, which is R2 under root R2 square plus S square X2 square. Now put these value of I2 and cos phi 2 in this torque expression. So torque is equals to K E2, I2 की जगह हमने SE2 upon under root R2 square plus S square X2 square पुट कर दिया, और पावर फैक्टर की जगह R2 upon under root R2 square plus S square X2 square पुट कर दिया. So the result that we got is equals to K S R2 E2 square upon R2 square plus S square X2 square. So this is the formula for torque developed by an induction motor rotor. Now the starting torque, as you know that at starting rotor is stationary, and so the slip S is equals to 1, and the starting torque may be obtained by substituting S equals to 1. So it comes as K R2 E2 square upon R2 square plus X2 square. We have put S is equals to 1. Now condition for maximum torque. What is the condition for maximum torque? Torque under running condition is given by K R2 S E2 square upon R2 square plus S square X2 square. So torque T for a fixed supply voltage will be maximum when S R2 upon R2 square plus S square X2 square is maximum, as K and E2 are constant, और हमने यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर से S कॉमन ले लिया, तो S S कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, तो R2 अपॉन R2 स्क्वायर अपॉन S प्लस S X2 स्क्वायर. देन द डिनोमिनेटर कैन बी रिटन एज R2 अपॉन in bracket R2 by root S minus X2 root S का whole square plus 2 R2 X2. So torque T will be maximum when this term is equals to 0. मीन्स जब डिनोमिनेटर आपका मिनिमम होगा तभी आपका टॉर्क टी मैक्सिमम होगा, और डिनोमिनेटर मिनिमम कब होगा? जब ये वाला टर्म आपका 0 होगा. तो S is equals to R2 by X2. Now substitute S equals to R2 by X2 in this torque expression. We will get T max is equals to K E2 square upon 2 X2. So this is the expression for maximum torque. Now the maximum torque से हमें क्या conclusion निकला? Maximum torque is independent upon the rotor circuit resistance. Means maximum torque is not depending upon rotor resistance. The slip at which maximum torque occurs is governed by rotor resistance. Means the slip जिस पे आपको maximum torque मिल रहा है वो आपका डिपेंड कर रहा है R2 पे, लेकिन maximum torque is not depending upon the rotor resistance. तीसरा क्या है? maximum torque is inversely proportional to the rotor reactance. और चौथा क्या है? maximum torque varies directly as the square of the supply voltage, as E2 is directly proportional to the supply voltage.